Everyone, my name is Anagha and I'm part of the Data Science Discovery team, and in this video today we're going to be doing a question on random number generation facts. So let's go ahead and get started. So here it says which of the following are true, select all that apply. So this deals with the random class in Python, right? And as we know, random.choice essentially selects a value, randomly selects a value out of all of these possible values that are basically stored in the generator, right? So we can see here that our sample, our entire space is numbers 1 through 6, right? And the fact that each number occurs the same amount of times shows that it is equally likely to select all of these numbers really that occur in this random generator, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, which is basically 1/6, right? So this correctly simulates rolling a fair six-sided die, because the probability of rolling any side, any value on a six-sided die is equally likely, right? It's the same. It's 1/6, which is exactly what is represented in this random generator here. So answer choice A would be correct. And then here we have random.choice can only simulate unbiased distributions. And I kind of want to get to this one later, because as we can see from another answer choice basically disproves this fact. So I want to go ahead and get to that one later. So let's see answer choice C. The probability of returning any color from random.choice is the same for all colors. Well, we can see here, what is the probability of picking red? Well, red occurs twice out of 4 possible colors, right? So the probability of picking red is 2 out of 4. The probability of picking yellow is equal to the probability of picking blue, which is equal to 1 out of 4, right? Because both of these just occur once out of 4 possible colors. So red is actually 2 times as more likely to get chosen than any other number. And we can see that this is sort of an unbiased distribution, right? The fact that red is 2 times more likely to get chosen than any other value represents an unbiased distribution, right? It's not represents a biased distribution, right? It's not equally likely for all these colors to get chosen. The fact that red is 2 times as more likely shows that there's a factor of bias in here, right? So random.choice actually can simulate unbiased and biased distributions, right? Based on what your values inside your list are, right? The fact that red occurs twice, any value can occur any number of times, which can cause a distribution to be biased or unbiased. So it's really the choice of the coder or anyone who's writing the generator to decide if this distribution should be biased or unbiased. So that's why answer choice B is incorrect, because answer choice C, as we could see, basically proved that random.choice can also generate biased distributions. And for C here, the probability of returning any color is the same. That's also wrong, right? As we mentioned before, the probability of picking red is 2 out of 4, while the probability of picking yellow and blue is 1 out of 4. As for answer choice D, the probability of outputting a 3 in random.rand and 1 out of 4 is 25%. Well, as you know, the random.randint function basically picks any number from A to B inclusive at random, right? So since there's 4 values, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4, each value is equally likely to get chosen. So the probability of outputting a 3 is 1 out of 4, or 25%. So that's why answer choice D is correct. And then for E, any number that appears from the code random.randint 1, 10 has an equal chance of being chosen. That is correct, because the random.randint randomly selects a number that has equal chance from A up till B inclusive. So that's why answer choices A, D, and E are correct here. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.